Hey YouTubers, it's Tony with Mayberry Mini Trucks. Today we have a Honda Acti mini truck that we recently imported. It is a 1991 four-wheel drive, 5-speed with 35,708 miles, and it's $6,600. Let's go ahead and do our walk around. Starting here with the top of the driver's side, looks very good, clean. The antenna is intact. A lot of times those do get torn off if you go in reverse and catch a branch, but this one is there. And coming down the driver's side, there's just a little mark right there. Just a slight mark there, no real damage. The tires are exceptional. These are Yokohama ice and snow tires, and the rims also look very clean. Looking down the bed side, it does have the caps, the rubber caps, and they are in good condition. The bedside looks very nice. This is where you put your fuel. So far we have matching tires. Looking down the tailgate, we have a slight indentation right there. Again, it doesn't affect the performance or operability of the vehicle, but you have a little bit of an indentation there. We got a bed mat. Let's look underneath and see how it looks. Excellent. Yeah, bed mats are a really good thing. They do protect the bed. Let's look at the front. Again, very good, clean, just normal use kind of stuff, little just abrasions, nothing other than that. Let's look at the passenger side. The bed side on the passenger side does look good. I don't think it has any dents at all. Again, very good tire here. Mud flaps look good. That one has a little wear. What happens is sometimes they'll flip up and get worn, and that's what's happened over here. You can see that right there. That's what's happened to that one. The passenger door, we do have some dents right here. Again, the tire looks excellent. So there's also something there that they repaired in Japan. The windshield looks very good. Now the front of the vehicle, it's dirty. Boy, I think I'm making it worse, but it's just dirty. Something dripped down from inside of the wiper here. Gotta clean right off. The front bumper looks very good. Take a look at the inside. The driver's seat, it has a lot of tears. I'll just say, whoever had it, just, it is what it is. What can I say? It is torn up. The passenger seat, not the case, but if that's an issue for you, it can be recovered. Just that one panel needs to be recovered if you want to do anything at all. Otherwise, it'll, you know, operate fine. No issues as far as operability is concerned. Let's go ahead and take it for a drive. Speeds can go easily 60 miles an hour. And I can tell you right now, this handles really well. Those nice tires make quite a difference. We'll take it all the way down just so we can climb the hill. We'll see how it does climbing a pretty steep hill. All of our mini trucks are serviced. We change the oil with 5W30 full synthetic oil. We change the oil filter, the air filter, and we check all the fluids. Make sure that the front diff, the rear diff, transmission, gearbox, brake fluid, everything's in, you know, good shape. Mayberry Mini Trucks also titles all of our mini trucks. We got legislation passed in North Carolina making them street legal, and not all of our trucks have a title immediately. I mean, if we just got it off the ship, then, you know, we have to wait for it to arrive. We apply for it immediately, and that takes 6 to 8 weeks from the date that it arrives. So this truck has plenty of power. I'm in 4th gear going 24 miles per hour, and we're climbing in speed easily. So this truck has excellent power. If you're interested in this mini truck, feel free to give us a call at 336-777-9957. You can also reach us at sales@mayberryminitrucks.com or check out our website at mayberryminitrucks.com. Thanks for watching our video.